nice and lovely. Well, this morning Valentine breakfast is amazing recipe. And guys, I want to just share with you that so guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo did this morning for Valentine breakfast. That means next time you know what to do. Alright? First of all, 2 eggs in a medium-sized bowl. And also pinch of cinnamon. What cinnamon do? Cinnamon give the bread a nice lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste. And a pinch of vanilla. Little bit of sugar, not too much. Roughly a tablespoon of sugar. Alright, Bailey is the original. Bailey, you know, you can put a little bit of Bailey inside of it to give it a nice, lovely flavor. And also some milk, just a little bit of milk. Simple, give it a whisk. Just a next teaspoon of sugar, just to bring about the flavor some more. Nice and lovely. So that is finished whisked. And all you're gonna do is simple. Dip your bread inside of it, back 2 sides. And after you put the bread inside of it, we're gonna show you the next level. So over here is a frying pan on the stove. On the stove right there. And all you can do, you can use butter, or you can use vegetable oil or olive oil. I like to use a little bit of oil, because my butter where I have, that one is unsalted. It's salted, but I don't want to use that one. So I'm using a little bit of oil. Alright? You can use like a brush and brush it in, but I'm just gonna use a piece of a napkin and rub the oil around in the inside of it. My frying pan is about 3 to 4 minutes, 4 seconds now, or 5 seconds on it, so it's a little bit hot. Then all I'm gonna do is wet my bread 2 times inside of that lovely mixture which we just did. Straight inside of it for 3 seconds. Nice, so roughly 3 to 4 seconds I will have it on one side. So basically we're gonna get it to the other side, just like this. As you can see, nice lovely French toast. So this one is finished, as you can see. Nice color on the outside, beautiful. And next what we're gonna do is just gonna pop a little bit more oil, pinch of oil. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished, and as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So hopefully you'll enjoy the recipe, and this I'm gonna show you how they look now. Nice and lovely. So right here, this is the French toast, guys. As you can see, you can have this for Valentine breakfast in the morning, and also you can have it with some cream and some stuff on top of it. If you like it just plain, you can have it plain. Whatever you like, you can have it, guys. Enjoy the recipe, and this is just my breakfast for Valentine. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.